Aloha mai kako.
Aloha.
Today, this is going to be part two of our Pepeke ʻAike lesson. So we're going to start with a little review of last lesson, which was Heaha kēia, Heaha kēlā. Um, what is Heaha kamana'o kēia?
This,
Kēia means this. Heaha kamana'o kēlā.
that.
Kēlā means that. Okay, so we're going to do some examples. Nina wau a pane ʻoe.
Hi.
Heaha kēia.
He noho kēia.
Maikaʻi, he aha kēlā.
He maupuke kēlā.
So we showed you with that sentence that if you have more than one, if it's a multiple, then you can add in this word mau. Okay? He mau puke kēlā. Maikaʻi, mahalo. Okay, now we're gonna look at the three singular papani we have. So our first papani is oh, what does that mean?
O means me.
Good. What does oi mean?
O means you.
Okay, and our last one is oya.
It means he or she.
Good. So it's all pertaining to just one single person. So if we use our Pepeke ʻAike with these new papani that we have, they would take the place of the kēia or kēlā, so they'll go at the end of the sentence. Okay, so let's do some examples. Can you come up with three examples, one for each of these?
Sure.
Okay, go ahead.
He keiki o. He kumu oi. He haumana oia.
Maika'i no. So what does he keiki mean?
I am a kid.
Maika'i. What does he kumu oi mean?
You are a teacher.
Maika'i. He aha kamana he haumana oia.
He or she is a student.
Maika'i. Okay, Maika'i. So now we have this list of words, and these are different words that we can insert in these sentences just to give you an idea. So did you want to make up three more sentences using these words?
Sure.
Okay, go ahead.
He kanaka ovo.
Okay, the first one, and what does that mean?
I am a swimmer.
Maika'i. Second one?
He lawai'a oi. You are a fisherman.
Maika'i. Okay, and the last one, oya?
He kanaka mahi ai oia. He is a farmer.
Maika'i, mahalo. All right, and there's that. Let's try to show like what cultural background you come from. Yeah. Okay. So do you want to make one and then I'll make one and then you make the last one?
Yeah.
Okay, go.
He Hawaii'o.
Oh, maika'i, what does it mean?
I am Hawaii.
Good. Okay, I'm gonna say are you Chinese?
Oh, are we Chinese?
We do have Chinese. Oh, you do have Chinese?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna say he pake oi.
And I did last one.
Yeah, you make the last one.
He pelekania oia.
And what does that mean?
He is English.
Yeah, he is English. Okay, so that's our lesson for today. I want you to go and make two sentences of each papani. So he blank au, he blank oi, he blank oya. And also write the translations, the English translations. All right, mahalo, ahui ho.
Ahui ho.